Hello, welcome back again. This is JB Tigianon. Please subscribe to my channel. Ngayon may bago tayong problem or tanong. Elements lang ito na dapat sagutin. Ito ang tanong. Which of the following must be satisfied by the flow of any fluid, real or ideal? So, which of the following must be satisfied by the flow of any fluid, real or ideal? I. Newton's second law of motion. Or 1. Number 2. Continuity equation. Number 3. The requirement of a uniform velocity distribution. Number 4. Newton's law of viscosity. Number 5. The principle of conservation of energy. So may combination dito, no? Pagpipilian A, 1, 2, and 3. B, 1, 2, and 4. C, 1, 2, and 5. D, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So ano kaya ang sagot, no? So kung mapapansin nyo, yung 1, 2, and 3, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2 ay laging sinasama sa lahat ng pinagpipilian. Yung 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, at saka 1, 2. So, ang nagbabago lang yung pangatlo, no? Na nilagay sa 1, 2, 1, 2. Ito ang nagbabago. Yan. So, alin kaya dyan yung tama? So, ibig sabihin, yung flow of any fluid, whether it is real or ideal, no? Ideal or real, yung Newton's second law of motion na apply yan at saka yung continuity equation. There is no doubt about it. Kasama siya. So, ang hindi kasama, itong 3, 4, and 5. So, ang sagot natin dyan ay ito. So, ang answer, Newton's second law, the continuity equation, at saka yung principle of conservation of energy always apply for any fluid. So, in other words, yung sagot dyan is yung principle of conservation of energy. Ang sagot is itong C. Okay? Kasi nandiyan yung second law, Newton's second law, nandiyan yung continuity equation, at saka nandiyan yung principle of conservation of energy. So yun lang. Thanks for watching. Bye.